Bowling Green, Florida. Bowling Green is a city in Hardee County, Florida, United States. The population was 2,755 at the 2000 census, and has since risen to 2,930 at the 2010 census. Bowling Green is located at 27 degrees 38'16 and 81 degrees 49'32 W, 27.637823 degrees north, 81.825609 degrees west, 27.637823, minus 81.825609. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 1.4 square miles, all land. As of the census of 2000, there were 2,892 people, 815 households, and 647 families residing in the city. The population density was 2,042.0 people per square mile. There were 933 housing units at an average density of 658.8 per square mile. The racial makeup of the city was 57.05% white, 13.52% African American, 0.83% Native American, 0.35% Asian, 0.31% Pacific Islander, 26.00% from other races, and 1.94% from two or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 46.06% of the population. There were 815 households, out of which 41.3% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 54.5% were married couples living together, 18.3% had a female householder with no husband present, and 20.6% were non-families. 12.8% of all households were made up of individuals, and 7.1% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 3.44 and the average family size was 3.68. In the city, the population was spread out, with 33.1% under the age of 18, 12.2% from 18 to 24, 27.8% from 25 to 44, 16.0% from 45 to 64, and 10.9% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 28 years. For every 100 females, there were 108.8 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 106.7 males. The median income for a household in the city was $28,209, and the median income for a family was $28,333. Males had a median income of $22,695 versus $17,125 for females. The per capita income for the city was $9,978. About 22.0% of families and 30.5% of the population were below the poverty line, including 33.5% of those under age 18 and 20.5% of those age 65 or over. In 2010, Bowling Green had a population of 2,930. The racial and ethnic makeup of the population was 49.9% Mexican, 8.5% other Hispanic, 29.4% non-Hispanic white, 10.5% Black or African American, 0.5% Native American, 0.5% Asian, and 2.3% two or more races. Historic Bowling Green train station circa 1911. Frame vernacular home circa 1905.